How to make money with Perplexity. Are you looking to turn your skills into cash right from your laptop? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Perplexity, a powerful tool that can supercharge your income. Stay tuned because these tips could change your financial game. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Perplexity and how you can use it to boost your earnings. In the realm of natural language processing and information theory, Perplexity is a key metric used to evaluate performance of probabilities models, especially language models. It quantifies how well a model predicts a sequence of words, effectively measuring models' uncertainty of or confidence in its predictions. So first things first, what exactly is Perplexity? It's a fantastic tool for enhancing productivity and creativity. Today we'll explore how you can leverage it to make money. So as you can see, here we have the homepage of Perplexity. All you have to do is open your browser and then enter perplexity.ai. Here we have the website of Perplexity here. New thread F, just click over Control I. Then we have here home, discover, library. If you want to sign in, all you have to do is click over here. As you can see, you can sign up with Google, Apple, SAMS SO. Then you can also sign up with email. Then we have here where knowledge begins. You can ask anything like who is the best player in the world. As you can see, here we have information. We have first sources, then answer, current candidates, and a lot of information and details about this question. Also the pictures, as you can see. So it can help you guys. Here we have also Summer Olympic price of Bitcoin, top travel credit cards in 2024. Then we have vegetables currently season. Here we have Pro, as you can see. Click over here. So this is the Perplexity standard. Here we have free, and we have $20 here for each month. If you continue with free, we have unlimited quick sources, 5 pro sources per day, standard Perplexity EA model optimized for speed and quality. Then we have create a profile to personalize your answers. So here we have for professional, unlock the full capabilities of Perplexity and enjoy new perks as they are added. Here we have 20 dollars for each month. Sorry, we can continue with Pro, unlimited quick sources, 600 Pro sources per day. Select your preferred EA model, choose from GPT, Cloud, also Sonar Large, and more. Then upload and analyze unlimited files, visualize up to 15 answers a day using Playground EA, then get $5 for each minute in APA credit, as you can see. Here we have Block also and Playground. Block, here we have upgrade for more advanced problem solving. As you can see, we have a Perplexity collaborates with Amazon Web Services to launch Enterprise Pro. So you can click over the one you want, bring in Perplexity to education and not for profit. Introducing Perplexity pages. Perplexity launches Enterprise Pro. Perplexity Pro is coming to all SK Telecom, as you can see, and a lot of things, guys. So here we have fake. Here we have frequently asked questions like what is the perplexity, how does perplexity works, what is the perplexity pro. You can just click over here and you get your answer. As you can see, here we have, you can choose the language you want, encyclopedia, colors also, playground, as you can see. Here we have welcome to the perplexity encyclopedia. We have here captions, ideogram, the video, hygiene, and a lot of niches. Here we have cars at perplexity, our mission, our values. You can read it to more understand. Current opponents. As you can see, you can click over the one you want and get answer. So now let's give in some tips to earn money on perplexity. First, we have freelance services. One of the easiest ways to start earning with perplexity is by offering freelance services. Here is how you can do it. First, we have identify your niche. Are you good at mentioning specific tasks? Perplexity helps with E.J and data analytics, content writings, etc. Focus on what you do best. Then create a profile, set up a professional profile on freelancing sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Make sure to highlight your skills and experience with Perplexity. Then we have showcase your work. Use Perplexity to create some sample project. This will help potential clients see the value you can bring. The second one we have creating and selling digital products. Another great way to make money is by creating and selling digital products using Perplexity. Here's how. First, we have develop your product. Use Perplexity to create ebooks, templates, or online courses. Then we have set up an online store. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad are great for selling digital products. Then we have market your products. Use social media and email marketing to reach your audience. The third one we have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way to make money with Perplexity. Here is how it works. First, we have join an affiliate program. Sign up for Perplexity's affiliate program if they have one, or promote related products. Then we have create valuable content. Write blog posts, create videos, or use social media to share your affiliate links. Then we have drive traffic. Use SEO, social media marketing, and email campaigns to drive traffic to your content. The fourth one and the last one is online courses and consulting. If you are an expert in using Perplexity, why not teach others? Here is how. Create an online course, use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to create and sell courses on using Perplexity effectively. We have also offer consulting services, provide one-on-one coaching or consulting to individual or businesses looking to get the most out of Perplexity. And there you have it, 4 powerful ways to make money with Perplexity. Whether you choose freelance services, digital products, affiliate marketing, or online courses, there is plenty of opportunities out there. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.